Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. This is Driven by Boost. Today we're going to be showcasing the carbon fiber hood. I know a couple of you guys have asked to see some of the parts individually. So kind of starting a little mini series where I just kind of break down each part and some of the mods that have been done to the car. It is December, guys, no longer November, so the mustache is no longer here. I know some of you guys are probably a little sad about that, but the lip does feel a little bit naked. And it's above 40 degrees. So that means we're gonna get the car taken for a car wash. So let's get the car cleaned up, and after that we'll showcase the hood. Those pops are so fucking loud. Okay guys, so this is the Seibon Carbon Fiber hood. This hood is entirely carbon fiber, so it's not like a carbon fiber sheet on top of a metal hood. So the whole thing is actually carbon fiber. So it's great because it's super light. The OEM hood's around, I want to say 35 to 40 pounds, but the carbon fiber hood itself is actually probably around 8 to 10 pounds. It's super lightweight, so when you actually pop in the hood, you got to use 2 fingers or 2 hands, otherwise it'll fly up. So it's something to look out for and watch when you actually have this hood. I picked this style because I like the way it kind of like shows the body lines. It kind of matches and flows well. It wasn't too aggressive. It has 2 vents here, 1 on each side. These vents are actually functional. When I pop the hood, I'll show you that there's actually ducts that go from the vents all the way down to the bottom. The way the fitment was actually pretty good. You can see there's just a couple, just a small kind of gap like right here. It's nothing too crazy, but it's not an exact OEM fit, but it's pretty close. When we put it on, it only took like 1 or 2 times to actually just kind of fit it perfectly, which is nice because sometimes with aftermarket hoods, the hardest part is actually getting to line up with the actual fenders and body, and the carbon fiber hood lined up almost perfectly the first time. So that was an awesome thing to have. So let me pop the hood. I'll show you guys what it looks like underneath. So like I said, you gotta be really careful when you're pulling it up because the hood is very light, and it'll fly up on you. So I usually just open with 1 hand here and 1 on top, and just kind of slowly lift it up. So you guys can see up here, these are actually covers for the ducts. So when you're not tracking it and you don't want to have them open, you can actually cover it up. There's a couple screws here, and it keeps the rainwater, any sort of elements from going into your engine bay, and it dumps it out in these little holes up top here. You guys can see that. So that's kind of cool. It protects the engine bay when it needs to, and then when you want to have it open and get some free air in there and cool down the bay, it actually does. Another thing that's pretty cool is it's got a little badge here. I kind of like that, just the little things and the details. But like I said, guys, the hood is very, very light. You can kind of see it shaking a little bit here. So you got to use 2 hands when you're closing it and 2 hands when you're opening it up. But otherwise, it's been going great. I think I've had this for 6 months now, and you can see the quality of the hood. Not many chips or buff marks. I've had it on several long road trips, and the clear coat finish it's high quality, so it hasn't really shown a lot of chipping or damage, which is awesome. That's the scariest part, is that pushing down right there. Other than that, my only complaint is that these grills right here for the vent holes, they were like gray when I got them, so they kind of blended in, but now they've turned this like copper or bronze color, so they kind of stand out more. I mean, it's not a big deal, but it's just something that I noticed with the hood. Other than that, guys, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I'll be doing some more videos showcasing other parts of the car. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I think that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.